This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Monday, July 29th. Hope you all had a great weekend. And I totally forgot to celebrate my 250th podcast episode on Friday. So today is 251. I cannot believe it. I mean, just a little bit over a year ago, I started the podcasting journey. I was already writing on Substack, and this was prior to the paywall going up for premium content. And the goal always was to, whether on the free or paid side, to offer a quick under 15-minute snapshot of the stock market for that day, macro and micro, no politics and no advertising. And I wanted to create this because I could not find it for myself. Most of the podcasts that I listen to are excellent, but they're like 50 to an hour and a half. And I just can't, I don't have the time to consume all of it. And I searched for a while and I just could not find one. So I created it thinking that if I need something like that, not only the construct of a 15-minute podcast on the markets, but also the quality content that I felt that I could produce. I launched it a little bit over a year ago. I cannot believe it's been over 250 episodes and over a year since the July 4th weekend of 2023. I just basically ran out of excuses to not start, and I said, screw it, I want to start. So in honor, in celebration of that, I am extending a 25% discount for the 250th podcast episode celebration. So I will link that in the show notes. If you are a free or paying subscriber, you'll get show notes in the email as well. And that link will be right there for the free members to check out that discount. I don't know how long I'm going to run the discount for, but I know everyone loves a good promo. So take advantage of this while you can before I close it out. So let's jump right into the breadth numbers today. And I'm just going to preface here, it was a very quiet day. Like the SPY had like 34 million shares traded. The average is like 55 million. So it seems like everyone's waiting for FOMC Fed rate decision on Wednesday. So the Dow, all the indices actually closed near the previous close. The Dow was down 49 points, nothing to worry about, down 0.12%. The Nasdaq was up 12 points, whoop-de-doo. And the S&P up a whopping 4.4 points, not percent. So that kind of gives a complexion of the day. Taking a quick look at the Russell futures, that was down 26 points, 1.15%. So that was the biggest bleeder of the session, but it was low volume. There really wasn't much action other than on like Bitcoin. Bitcoin and the crypto miners all sold off after a very roller coaster ride. So Bitcoin rose heading into the Bitcoin 2024 conference, and then once it started, especially on Saturday with the Trump keynote, it actually sold off after the keynote. And then on Sunday, overnight, it rallied. And then in the regular intraday session of regular daytime hours, it sold off. So it's been just a roller coaster ride on shares of Bitcoin. So let's go through some of the kind of what stuck out to me today. McDonald's missed on earnings. They were down big pre-market, but they actually bounced back, and they are finishing up 3.7%. So that's a strong bounce on McDonald's. What else was strong today? So I'm just going to go through these rapid fire like I usually do. These are all percentages. Tesla was up 5.6%. Kava Group, the restaurant, was up 3.29. Restoration Hardware 3.1, Sweet Green 2.9, Etsy 2.5, Disney 2.4, Birkenstock 2.3, Chipotle Mexican Grill 2.2, Pulte Homes 2.25, MGM Resorts 2.25, Cura Sushi 2.18, and Fresh Pet 2.14. So a lot of food related stocks up more than 2% today. What was weak? DJT 4.13% down. Carvana down 3.94. MicroStrategies 3.87. I mentioned Bitcoin related shares were all weak. K Hovanian down 3.86. Homebuilder, Reddit down 3.82. Coinbase 3.5. Natural gas futures 2.7. Zeta Global 2.25. Hut 2.24. Delta Airlines 2.15. Regional banks KRE down 2.1, and Dell 2.08, and SMCI down 2.03. Now, it was a really light day, so this is going to be a really light podcast episode. Free members continue to watch the economic data like yields, unemployment. On Wednesday, we actually will be getting at 8:15 in the morning ADP employment numbers. And then in the afternoon is the most important release of the entire week. The FOMC rate decision comes out at 2 o'clock with a 2:30 press conference with Fed Chair Powell speaking. Keep in mind, I've never seen the market sell off while he is speaking at a podium. I've also included some of the upcoming earnings that's coming out this week. You'll see all of those big ones. Like tomorrow morning pre-market, you have Procter & Gamble, you have BP coming out pre-market. Then after the close, you have Microsoft, AMD, Mondelez, Starbucks. On Wednesday, in addition to the FOMC rate decision, you have MasterCard, T-Mobile, HSBC, ADP, all reporting in the morning. And then after hours, you have Meta, Qualcomm, Lam Research, Marriott, PayPal, MetLife. On Thursday, you have a couple big ones. In the morning, pre-market, you have Toyota, Shell, and in the afternoon, post the close, you have Apple and Amazon and Intel. That's Thursday. Just take a look at some of these logos. Continue to watch the Mag 7. 5 of the Mag 7 are still under the 50-day. And I will see you all after the Tuesday session. And don't forget to check out the 25% discount on the show notes. The link is right there, as well as your inbox. Premium members, please stay on. I have about 17 charts to go through today with you. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.